What's up? Welcome back to Maverick's Tech Tube. So today we're going to be talking about AI spokesperson. So you might know it as AI avatars. So but there's a difference between AI avatars and AI spokespersons. So AI avatars are literally what you could use to like most of all those AI art that you see and you use them like what you have here, like profile pictures and you know. So but it's not the kind of avatar that can actually talk. You get so I just this is just a picture. It's not animated. It's just there. So this is my face, but it looks like an art kind of thing. So people do this a lot with a whole lot of AI tools can do this right now. So, but what is the difference between an AI spokesperson and an AI avatar? Is that while one is animated, looks like it's speaking to you, one is not. And when you come to AI spokesperson, you also have a situation whereby some tools allow you to upload your own likeness and make it animated, like it's talking, while some other tools have ready-made avatars that you can make use of to for your promotional videos and every other thing you want to do. Okay, while still some other tools combine both, allow you to own avatars, inbuilt avatars. So, and there are a host of tools that can do that. And the aim of this whole video is like I always talk about AI tools, AI tools. But for this AI spokesperson video, there's a whole host of AI tools, which I'm going to mention every one of them in this video for you to actually leverage on. And also towards the end of the video, I'm going to talk about a few other things that I know you might need. So, but also check down in the description. I'm going to add a list of an Excel sheet where I'm going to basically break down all the AI avatars AI avatar tools I'm going to mention in this video, and that would include their pricing plans, what you should use them for, which is the best use case for any situation or whatever you want to create. Okay, so there's a whole lot of them. Some of them are much more important than the others, while some are just they just um, they just created them recently. So some are new, some are old, and some are more reliable than the others. So all that we'll be talking about in this video. So let's just take a look at let's first define what an AI avatar is. Okay, so let's just see what ChatGPT has to tell us. So let's say an AI avatar, an AI spokesperson video is a promotional video where an artificial intelligence character serves as a spokesperson. This AI character is typically created using sophisticated AI technologies that can communicate information, answer questions, and represent a brand or organization in a video format. The purpose of AI spokesperson video is to engage and inform the audience about a product or service or company. So blah blah blah. So AI spokesperson video can be utilized in a wide range of applications: marketing, customer support, education and training, presentation and demos, and so on and so forth. Now, something else I asked was how does it differ from text to video tools and AI voice tools? So now there is the AI avatar, which is static, but like an AI art sort of. Then there's an AI spokesperson video, which is a talking avatar, like it talks. So usually you can take the picture and make it talk with some other tools. And there's also what you would call the text to video tool. So a text to video tool could just be playing music and playing text and some other visuals like animations and everything, but there's no speaking character. Like there's no particular character facing you and talking. So you just have text, you have soundtrack, you have images and all. So that's the AI text to video. So they may or may not be voice. Okay. So now there's also the voiced video, AI voice video. Okay. So now when you have all those texts playing, you could now have a soundtrack and as well an underlying voice talking about the whole video. Okay, but there will be no avatar talking directly to you. So these are the differences you have to understand. So going down with the AI's spokesperson video, let's talk about the very first one. Number one AI spokesperson video in no particular order. So you guys might know there are some that are already in the market, very important, and they are doing their marketing in a very big way. So, but I'm just gonna list a whole lot of them with. So this might be the most comprehensive list you ever seen on YouTube. Like I took my time to find these tools. Okay, so the first one is called HeyGen. So HeyGen is an AI spokesperson video. So it has a lot of characters, and I'm going to break this down in my Excel sheet. Number of characters for each one that you can be able to afford to get for free, and also the ones that are freemium and paid, and what you are going to get if you pay, and if you try to use it as a free service, what you're also going to get. I'm going to analyze everything. So this is basically Hey Gen. Um, I will not go to them. So their pricing, let's just say their pricing page is this, but it's gonna take a whole lot of our time. So I'll break this down later. So there's a free plan and all. Okay. So this is basically what the site looks like in case you want to check it out. So I'll even implore everyone of you to actually go check out this site. So I know the best tool for you to make use of. So I'm going to tell you my favorite eventually, but I don't want you to be biased. Okay. For there's a preference. Everyone has a preference of an AI tool they can make use of. So this is the first one. And the second one would be um. So there is a tool called Movio. So I think Movio and HeyGen they merged together to become one. Because I was looking for Movio, which I've used before. I couldn't find it anymore. So I think they merged with HeyGen or they changed their name to become HeyGen. So that's one tool right now. So you can see for free version, we have 1 minute free credits and all this. So you can go through this. I don't want to waste any more of your time. So we just go to the next one, which is our one. So it said create AI video content in less than 15 minutes. Generate text slides or promotes prompt into professional presenter level videos in minutes in any language. And mind you, you can still make an AI spokesperson tool. You can still use it as a video text to video editor. Like you don't want to see the avatar, you just want to text and your video and soundtrack. So it still works. So this is what the site looks like. So when you go to the pricing, you definitely find a pricing page. The pricing. So there's always a free trial for all of them, I think. So so I'm going to break this down later in an Excel sheet for you to see. After this, the next tool I'm going to be taking a look at is DID. So DID is different from the rest in that they allow you to actually get your AI avatar, the one that doesn't talk, maybe generated it from Midjourney, Playground, or one of all these AI generative art generating tools. You generate your likeness, they make your likeness talk. So they also, so that's one feature they have that is unique. They allow you to make your own likeness to talk. So and that's what most people have actually been using in most of their videos. So and they also have you can see on this screen they also have avatars ready to go, just like the rest of the tools. Okay, so but if you still choose to use yours, then that's good for you. And now you can actually generate any kind of character. Like maybe you want your character to look like a medieval kind of character. You can do that with DID. While the rest don't have that capability, you can actually some of them don't have that capability. So but DID the is one-stop shop for that. So they have avatars. They allow you to also upload your own image and make use of it in a talking to make use of it as a talking avatar. So my heritage is also another tool that allows you to upload a picture and make it talk. So I think I should have added it on this list. I think they are also owned by DID. So that's the ID for you. So let me just quickly type my heritage. Let's see what it looks like. So I don't know if this is the right. Yeah, so my heritage will be the next one. I think they are owned by DID. So what they do is you upload a picture and they make the picture talk, or not talk basically, but to move its head and do a whole lot of things. So most people use it for picture of their most people use it for pictures of their siblings or parents that maybe are deceased or something. So or you can also upload. I think right now they're allowing you to upload images from that you've generated from a lot of art generating tools. So you can see. I think that is a new feature because when I checked out this tool before, they were not allowing this. You can only generate, you can only upload pictures. But now you can upload generated images. Yeah, AI art generated images. So that's a very good one. So, but it still has a long way to go, I guess. But this is a good feature. Now, what else? I want to show you what it looks like because I'm still trying to find the animated. So I won't really have time to get into this software to show you one by one how they work. I could do that when I'm comparing them with each other, but not now. So, so you can also check out my heritage. So let's just move to the next one. Next one is okay. Done this. One. Yes. So next one is Synthesia. Like this is on top of all of them because I think they are literally doing the marketing pretty well because anywhere you turn is Synthesia. Like Synthesia is the name on everybody's lip when it comes to AI Avatar. Okay, so they allow you to generate 15 minutes video which you have no control over. So I've used it. You basically cannot change this avatar. You have to create. When you click on create a free avatar, you can change the text but not the avatar. And they will send this to your mail, so you see what it looks like. Okay, so but you won't get access to the platform until you pay. So that's about Synthesia. So, but so far so good. They are at the top of the game. Like people are really saying a whole lot of nice things about them. That they really know what they are doing. So and they have 120 languages, 125 about AI avatars and stuff. So I'm going to break all these things down in my Excel sheet. Okay. So I'll just give it to you for free. Just take a look at it. So you don't have to go through all this searching and searching to know the difference. I'm going to break everything down. That's why I'm making this video. So for now, we'll just show you one by one what the website looks like. So you don't go to any other website. So these are some of the videos that they have done. You can play any one of them. So as you can see, they actually look realistic. Yeah, so that's that. And you also have you can create videos as diverse. So let's just say you want to create a team basically and upload it on your website. So this is it. You create different avatars for different with different voices to represent your team. While the whole team is just you, basically, working doing the whole work. It's a bit crazy where AI is going to, but then so that's that for Synthesia. Let's move to the next one. So we have Deep Brain. Deep Brain is another good one. Like pretty good. Because I've used Deep Brain before. So and they have a host of avatars and they are pretty good. Their templates as well. Pretty good with their templates. I don't think I have time. And I think Deep Brain is one of the avatar tools that actually allows you to see the avatar's hands move. And that is part of the realism. So this is actually a plus. Movement of hands is something you usually won't see in an AI spokesperson video. So I think that's an edge they have. That makes them unique. That's Deep Brain for you. The next one is AI. AI is also one of my favorites. So you have Synthesia, you have Deep Brain, and you have AI. And then Hagen is another one I like. So AI has a free plan that you can actually use to do something, you know. So this is their website. You can always check it out. They have cool templates as well. So, but when it comes to, there's one thing you have to also look at when choosing an AI spokesperson video: the movement of the lips syncing with the words being spoken. And so far, Synthesia is leading with that. Okay, I think that's why they are in the market at the top. Synthesia is actually leading with that. But I'm going to show you some other tools that actually are also trying their best to meet up with that as well. So, but they are different in their own way. But when we get there, so the next one is um, Colos. How do you pronounce this? Colossian. Colossian. So Colossian also allows a show of hands too, and the avatars look lifelike as well, and they smile. So you could also, I don't know about their templates though, but it's something you could check out. And that's Colossian. Colossian, yeah. So I can't go through their pricing pages, so I'll do that later in the breakdown. So the next one is Vinci AI. So Vinci AI, I've not used it before, but I hear it's pretty good. And I don't even see an avatar, but then I know they have an AI avatar feature. So that's that. The next one is Rephrase AI. So text to video powered generative AI and new. So Rephrase Studio is a text to video generation platform that eliminates the complexity of video production, enabling you to create professional looking videos with a digital avatar in minutes. So it's basically the same thing. I've not used this tool, but I'm showing it to you because it has to be on the list. It does the same thing like the rest. I wonder if it stands out in its own way. So the next one is Be Human. So this is where the trajectory starts changing. This one's actually take a video of you and make it say so many different things. So that is an advancement in our direction. So he said produce a single video and personalize it for thousands of recipients. Deliver one over any channel and measure results instantly. So you make a video and So you make a video saying something like you mention someone's name or something. Maybe you're thanking a customer. Like let's say the customer's name is Fred. You say, Fred, I thank you for this, that, for patronizing us and stuff like that. So now what this tool is gonna do is it's gonna change that Fred to maybe 20 other customers. Maybe you have first. So now it saves you the time of making 20 different videos saying different names. So it takes Fred and replaces Fred with several other names. Like thank you Fred for this, that. Thank you Sarah for this, that. So now it allows you to personalize the video. So when the person gets a video, they hear their name. And then I think you can also change some other keywords in the sentence as well. So and that is a lot of time saving right there, you know. And I think whatever it is you're doing in the video, they maintain that as well. So you can change the text to an extent and the lips will sync, you know. So and that's a good one too. The next one I'm going to take a look at is Tavos. Tavos does the same thing as Be Human. But sadly, I couldn't find a video for you to see. Okay, hold on. So basically, the lip sync is still bad, but it's literally the same thing as Be Human. So one video personalized for different occasions, as simple as that. Okay, so it's lifelike basically, because it's literally a video, but they could change the wordings, change the tone of voice. So it takes. That's one thing I also have to mention is that you can actually use your own voice too, or an AI voice if you choose. But lip syncing does not really match yet, but I think they'll definitely get that fixed eventually. So the next one I'm going to be looking at is Spirit Me. Spirit Me is at the top of the game of this particular thing I'm talking about, taking your video and repurposing it for different occasions. So one unique feature they have is you can change the expressions that you did not make initially. Let's say you were just talking with a straight face. Spirit Me will help you make you laugh or smile or move your eyebrows in a way like, change the mood of your face sort of. But last time I checked the software, they are still having issue with their lip syncing. But I don't know if they fixed it right now. Probably they have. So lip syncing is still an issue, but literally the same thing. You propose your video for different occasions. Take a look at this video. So basically, this is Spirit Me, also an avatar you can. So they always have a free plan you can leverage on. Let's take a look at the next one. This is Virtual You. So this literally takes an AI version of you, an AI art version of you, and makes it talk just like DID would do. Okay, and everything is paid. Well, they must have their reason for that. So that's virtual you for you. The next one will be, I think that's all. That will be all. So my favorite, you already asked, probably. You want to know? I'll tell you between Synthesia, Eli, Jen, and there was one I missed. Deep Brain, yeah. So those ones I would readily use them anytime, any day. So and that summarizes my video. So this is the Excel sheet I'm preparing for you. I'm gonna add it to the description once it's done for you to download and make use of. So you're gonna have the name, the link, the pricing, the difference, the best use case, the alternatives, and also How many avatars can you have available to use for free? Okay. So if you find value in this video, like, subscribe, and do share and come back for the next video because I'm going to give it to you back to back. New AI tools, the most valuable AI tools. AI Tech Tube is here for you. Take care. Have a nice day.